of the vast Mediterranean, where deep blue waves crash against rugged coastlines, there lies a small town known as Saint-Cyprien, which on one unassuming day was suddenly forced to face nature's relentless fury. That morning began like any other. Warm summer breezes brushed gently across faces, and the laughter of tourists echoed softly in the distance. But as dark clouds gathered, and the air turned heavy, the town was swiftly swept into chaos and fear. Families huddled close, fear and determination written across their faces as they struggled through the rising water, desperately trying to protect the remnants of their lives from being washed away. This was not just an isolated disaster. Across the Mediterranean, extreme weather events were becoming more common, a harsh reminder of the accelerating pace of climate change. Recently, the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, issued a warning, reporting that the Mediterranean region was warming 20% faster than the global average. This rapid shift was no longer an abstract figure, but a reality that communities like Saint-Cyprien were experiencing firsthand each day.
This is
The flooding in Santiago was part of a broader pattern of environmental instability. Not long ago, Spain had suffered a devastating flood that claimed hundreds of lives, highlighting the urgent need for immediate action. The United Nations has called upon the world to respond, stressing the importance of resilience and adaptability in the face of increasing life-frequent disasters. Yet at this very moment in Saint-Cyprien, the priority is survival. Local authorities mobilize rapidly. Each action does achieve desperation and
holy shit, this is crazy.
away. Infrastructure lay in ruins. Transportation systems were paralyzed, and economic losses continued to mount. The town, once alive with the energy of tourism, a source of livelihood for many families, now stood empty, replaced by the harsh reality of recovery and rebuilding.
You can't even see the
Yet amidst the mud and destruction, stories of human resilience began to emerge. Neighbors came to each other's aid, strangers became allies, and the community stood together to face the crisis, a scene both moving and heartbreaking.
That's crazy.
our cars, everything. We've lived here for Milan.